Hi everyone, welcome to Momuscraft. Today we'll learn how to create the Foxy Hook. I saw that you liked the mask, so here is this design to complete your Foxy costume. To create it, we are going to download and print the templates on paper or in cardboard. This time we are going to use orange and silver cardboard. You have the link for the templates in the description and in the comments. There you can choose the size of the design and download the templates. You will also be able to see how to cut out the pieces and how to fold them. Here are the pieces that we are going to use. The only two pieces that are orange are pieces with the numbers 1 and 2. All the others will be silver. We will start creating the Foxy Hook, so we will start by joining the ends of pieces 1 and 2 until they form a circle. To paste piece 3, we will put glue on all the flaps and join it around until it meets its other end. Before adding pieces 4 and 5, first, we are going to join them. Once ready, we will join it around the piece that we previously added. Pieces 6, 7, and 8 will finish forming the base where we will glue the hook. We will put piece 6, then glue piece number 7, and finally piece 8 on it. Subscribe so you don't miss out on future designs. With these 3 pieces, we will finish the Foxy Hook. We will glue piece 9 with piece 10 little by little, so that it takes the shape we need. We will cut the excess of some flaps to be able to join the pieces. We will also join piece 11, and once we have this part ready, we'll add it to the base. And now we have our Foxy Hook ready. Remember that you can download any template from the channel without ads and support this content by joining Premium Momuscraft. Thank you very much for watching.